Morning guys, how's it going? So today I am in Murcia, which is a bit of a smaller town, close to the coast. It's not actually on the coast of Spain, but it's closer to the coast. And as I continue my drive around the coast of Spain, I stopped here for a night. And today I am just visiting the town, walking around the side streets and enjoying the place to see what it's like. So it's not a huge touristy town like many others that I visit. It's a smaller town, but actually I wanted to see what a smaller town looks like in Spain and what the vibe is in general. The place, check out the place. So it's quite empty, unsurprisingly, especially because it's what is it today? Tuesday. It's a Tuesday afternoon. So I'm just walking around, but I'm surprised to see the cathedral here is really impressive. It's closed, I cannot go in, but from the outside the decoration is unbelievable. Compared to the Alicante one, which was very bland, this one is full of little statues and decorations and yeah, really nice, really impressive. So that's one thing. I don't think there's too many tourist sites here, but I'm just gonna check out the place anyway and walk around, and I'm gonna take you with me on a quick journey of the town of Murcia. Here's a little mock-up of the cathedral. It looks a bit worn down by the weather, but it's really nice to see it, what it looks like from high up above. I wonder if there's a higher up place in town where I can check out the view and everything. I'm gonna search for that. So this is the main shopping street in town. Not too many people. Shops are open mostly, but people aren't really here. Maybe it's too early in the afternoon to get people here. It's about 2 p.m. now. Alright guys, so I wanted to get a shot of the cathedral at night as well. It looks pretty good, and people are out now. They're at the terraces, enjoying dinner and, you know, a nice night out, even though it's a Tuesday night, so I'm surprised. So yeah, that is my quick tour of Murcia. I just had one day here, so I'm gonna head off tomorrow. But it's a nice town, not too bad. It's a bit small, or maybe the people aren't out now that it's you know, difficult times. But yeah, it's a nice city and a good place to spend a couple of days. It doesn't have a beach, but it's not too far away from a beach, so by car I think it takes 20-30 minutes to get to the beach. So yeah, that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.